Looking to add some sweetness to your holiday celebrations? Cake Pops Holidays by Bakerella and Angie Dudley is your go-to guide for creating delightful treats that will charm both kids and adults. Bakerella, the mastermind behind the cake pop craze, presents over 20 winter-themed designs. From Christmas trees to gingerbread houses, these creations come with step-by-step instructions. With Bakerella's guidance, you'll craft and decorate like a pro, spreading joy this holiday season. Bakerella shares expert tips on displaying, gifting, and shipping your cake pops. Since I discovered this book, my parties are so much more fun. Cake pops are always a hit, said a satisfied reader. Follow these tips to make your treats the star of any gathering. Create jolly Santa cake pops with ease. You'll need cake bowls, candy coatings, lollipop sticks, and more. Dip, decorate, and let them dry on a styrofoam block. Add details like beards and hats for a festive touch. These Santas bring cheer and hearty ho-ho-hos. For more creative baking ideas, follow us on @Starbook5. Like and subscribe to explore the art of baking. With Cake Pops Holidays, your holiday treats will be unforgettable. #baking, #cake pops, #sweets, #creative cooking #parties.